Nation, what up? Now we back. What I got it on? Back and about to tackle it, man. We about to tackle it. Let me get my mask real quick. What up, dude? Huh? Man.
I'm wore out to you, brother. I know exactly what you mean. It took me all day talking myself to get out of the fucking house. And when I called you, I said, I got this better go. I got to drive out to Oakland too. So.
Shit.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to stay away from, but I got a big job. Get these off of here. You got a pair of pliers. If this all fits, we're in good shape.
Okay.
Just cross fingers.
Man.
That we're gonna have to keep this down. It look like you got that loose.
What's that? Oh yeah, that yeah.
There we go. You working your ass off.
Oh yeah.
You got a regular job and do side work?
Oh, I got a regular job and
you do side work.
shit. Do YouTube.
You do what?
YouTube.
What's that?
You don't know what YouTube is?
No, I know what YouTube is.
Ah, yeah.
What are you doing on it?
Yeah, I just record. I get I'm monetized now as far as just putting out content.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
You get paid for doing that shit?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you putting on there?
Car stuff, family stuff, life.
And just how many people looking at it? Get paid by that?
Yeah.
I need to start putting out some YouTube videos.
Ah, hell yeah, you do.
Yeah, I use YouTube to fix shit.
Right.
When I need
And guess what?
my washer and dryer and all kinds of shit.
Yeah, and guess what? Every time you look at it, somebody getting paid. Yep. So shit, you might as well get on there and shit, get paid for somebody looking at you to try to figure out some shit.
Don't worry about this one working, but that's gonna be right.
Alright.
I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be right. This is the one I'm worried about.
Okay.
These are the hardest cars right here today.
Yeah, it look like a pain in the ass.
They are, man. It's just, yeah, you know, I had to make every day a fitting. That's why. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect, right? Damn.
Yeah, well you came highly recommended, so
Oh man.
hell,
Oh, that's right, brother.
Bird, you remember Bird? He got that purple Parisian.
I remember doing a Parisian.
Yeah,
Where was he? Oh, he was out in South Haven.
yeah,
Man.
yeah, that's my partner. Yeah,
Yeah.
he recommended.
Called me Parisians.
Right.
Yeah, I've been doing work. I've been doing this for over 25 years now.
Right. Exactly, cause my dad recommended you too. He was like, well, I don't know if this is the same guy. I don't know if he's still in business or whatever, but this is his number. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, I've been doing it so long, man. It's crazy.
So shit,
I'm
when
the only one that I'm the only one that can custom build these fittings. Here, the people that sell me the equipment can't even make these fittings.
that's crazy.
I do stuff with their equipment that they don't know how to do.
No, I didn't do. Well, you got the new O-rings already now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, when I put them together, I don't tighten them up, but I make sure it's got all new O-rings.
Okay.
And this is your old fitting. I turn around and bend it into a 45 like this, so it comes right there. Perfect.
Okay.
Ain't it?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, that's good. All right, cross your finger. You might. Nope. I got that something right over the top there. Then you put the dryer on it, then
I can put.
you put it in there.
But I can raise it. I can raise it up a little bit.
I think we're gonna need to. But it was raised up a little bit. Let's raise it up just a hair. Either that or we're gonna bend one of these down a little bit. I mean, that'll work right there.
Oh, okay.
I think let's just leave it. Nice.
Yeah, cause I don't want the roof against that. Either I had to make a boot for it or I just raise it up. Matter of fact, I just raise it up now.
Let's just leave it just like that.
Okay.
Down, because you know what I mean, we don't want to get higher in that dryer.
Okay.
Because of the hood.
Right.
Nah, that's fucking perfect, man.
Okay.
See, it's off of there.
Right.
And in worst case worse, you can just take a little off of this. Mm-hmm. But I mean, it's not hitting it.
No,
that's a big old thick ass tubing, man.
Okay.
That old tubing's thick, man. And I hit that something right in the fucking money.
That's why you've been doing it for 20 plus years.
Yes, yeah. Hell, I drove out to Atoka to do one. And I made all my patterns and went home. Got back out there, half of it right and half of it wrong. Gotta go back out there.
Oh, man.
I was already going to have to make extra trips, but I ruined a bunch of tubing.
Right. Y'all see what's going on, man. Getting MayRose AC stuff together. Getting this AC stuff together, man. I don't know where that line going. I guess it's going.
Ready for some air.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna let it right about right there. So make sure it's long enough. Piece of that food. I'm gonna take it now.
All right.
Yeah, I know where everything fits.
Yes, sir. Now I gotta order me a orifice tube to go in this one down here. But yeah, once I order that, look at that workshop in the back of the truck. Yeah.
You got an extension cord, and I'm gonna get the truck up here closer.
Yeah, go on.
Look at this.
Right.
Did you call me about 2 or 3 months ago?
Nah.
Wanting to put a regular hose on here?
I don't think so.
Somebody called me, one of these Impalas, said that they kept burning their hose up. They wondered if I could do something with it, because I told them, because I can actually, what was I trying to say? I can actually take the factory assembly and take a factory assembly and bend it and gets it away from the headers.
Oh, okay.
Somebody called me on one of these. I didn't know how to like, this thing I was wondering if it was you.
Nah. I've had a lot of problems with it, but that wasn't one of them.
Yeah, I do a few of these, man, and these are just so hard, especially if you try to keep the original compressor on. I won't even build the hose assembly for it. I'll just take an original hose assembly and bend it up. And look, I'm just snugging these just so they're in the right place.
Okay.
You're going to finish time on it.
Yeah, y'all. So we got our hoses. We got our lines ran. So now I need to order my, now I need to get my orifice tube and get this wire here hooked up. However I'm gonna do that. And Mr. Joe Cool, next on the clock, buddy. You are next on the clock. Another piece of the puzzle coming together, man. I'm glad y'all was here to see it. Glad y'all was here to see it, man. Another piece, so yeah. Did them lines. That ain't going nowhere. Yeah. Yeah, we in there. I gotta tighten that up. I gotta tighten everything up. Probably gotta put new O-rings and all this stuff, but yeah. We getting there. Operation North Pole, baby. Operation North Pole. MayRose on the way. Yes, sir.